Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1968 Mercury Cougar. Wicked cool car, guys. I bought this car to show down in Tennessee, but it's actually spent most of its life in Kentucky. Matter of fact, it was bought new at Bluegrass Lincoln Mercury in Louisville, Kentucky. Very cool car. Original color combo, Caribbean blue metallic with the aqua interior. Very, very nice car. I actually shot pictures and a video of this car when I first got it in. But if you remember, the driver's seat had a split in it, and you couldn't get seat covers because they're on national back order, especially in this color. And but I found a company on the West Coast, SMS, that actually had the material in stock. So I had that driver's seat recovered, and there's also extra half yard of material in the trunk now that'll go with it. But very cool car. It's got 5,800 miles on a body up restoration. It's actually an older restoration done about 12 years ago, but very nice, very well maintained. One of those cars that, like the wheels and tires are new. They actually just went through the front suspension and brakes on the car just a year ago. Cool body style. Love the hideaway headlights. Most of this trim in stainless is original. The bumpers are original. So you can nitpick it a little. I did see a couple little stone pecks. I'm going to try to get a paint pen if they have that in this color. Like I say, a couple little dings and some chrome as you look around it. But awfully, awfully nice car. Original bumpers. Really good car though. I mean, it is, I'll tell you, it hits the road really good. And like I said, I bought it down to the show in Tennessee. We cruised it quite a bit. Good car, nice and tight. Really shifts good. All the lights and stuff are working. Dash in there is nice. I love the color. I wish we had some sunshine, but welcome to Michigan. Glass is nice. Just a good, solid, straight old car, man. Fit and finish is nice on the car. I think this is just a car that a guy can get in, turn the key, and go have some fun, man. Now, this stuff's got to be new there. That's got to be new. Look how nice those taillights are. Again, rear bumper's original. You can see a little wear to it. But this stuff is brand new. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Those are brand new Cooper Cobras all the way around it with brand new 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels. You just put those on a year ago. Good straight old car. Cool taillights, cool headlights in these cars. Original C code 289 car. It's been upgraded to a 302. You can see stock intake and exhaust manifolds now. It is a factory dealer installed AC unit. So if you know what that is, it's got the under dash unit. It does not have the condenser or the dampener. This is my opinion on this. For $1,600, Classic Air has every component that you can possibly want to put you know, a modern style AC unit in it, and that includes a new blower motor and everything. Even though this car does not use it, it does not need it. And I will tell you the AC pump works, but it's 400 bucks for the condenser and the dryer. My opinion is I'd probably spend a little more and have a complete brand new AC unit in the car. Again, up to you. I know that some people are, you know, they want everything original, but that's my opinion. Power steering, it's got manual brakes on it. Again, all the brakes, front suspension, he just went through. You can see the VIN number is in on your inner fender skirt like it should be. Look how nice the shock towers are. It's the first thing I look at when I'm looking at Mustangs and Cougars. Again, VIN numbers on both sides. It also has the original buck tag underneath there. But again, on the AC, I'm not an air guy. I wouldn't even mess with the air. You know, air and radios drive me nuts. When I'm in an old car, I want the windows down. I hate the windows up in an old car. But if AC is a big deal to you, my opinion is I would probably just order a brand new one from Classic Air. And like I said, I just looked at it. It's 1,600 bucks, and it is every component, and it's a direct fit unit as well. I think I said it. Original 289 car upgraded to a 302. A-pillar chrome is nice. Original chrome mirror. Door handles have definitely been replaced. I believe that most of this interior is actually original. You see how clean the bottoms of those doors are. Aqua is the factory color, and I believe, other than I replaced this seat back, I believe the rest of this interior is original. Bucket seats. It's got the factory floor shift. Jeez, oh geez. Headliner's nice. Steering wheel's in good shape. All your interior lights, your courtesy lights in here work. $58.89, that's on your restoration. You can see the gauges are nice and clean. Blower motor here works, and this is what I'm talking about, the dealer install there. They were under dash units. That works as well. So like I say, a couple different ways you can go with the AC. I don't want to beat a dead horse, but new dual exhaust, factory rear end, not a big gear, definitely something you can cruise. A lot of paperwork here in the trunk. Trunk lips are clean. It's got the original mat still in here. The original mat, you can see it's all body color in there. This is pretty cool. Original sales receipt, original owner card. This is what I'm talking about, the material I got, some books that go with it. I believe Jack and Spare are here in the trunk. This is kind of cool. This is some dealer brochures, some original invoices from 1968. Thought that was really cool. That stuff all goes with the car. Original owner's manuals. Everything opens and closes real nice. We're not going to run it down the road. You can see it's nasty and it's actually kind of slippery. But it does hit the road real nice, runs out real good. Door skins are nice and clean. Dash is nice. It's not all bowed or anything. Looks good. Again, the gauges are nice and clean. Radio delete car. The little lights work on the shifter indicator as well. Go ahead, Ed. You can start it up. Filler chrome is real nice. Flex fan on there. Like I say, the AC's all free. You can click that on and it works. Car hits the road good, man. Gauges are all functional. Again, both blower motors do work. Turn signals, Ed. Sequential tail lights, which is just, yep, super cool. Right side, Ed. Oh, there he goes. Got to break him in. Reverse. Backup lights work. That's just a nice car right there. Again, both blower motors work. You can see the little lights work on the shifter. Wipers, Ed. Gotta figure out where they are. Wipers work, guys. I don't know if you know. Flip your headlights on, Ed. There he goes. Headlights. Hit your brights. Go ahead and shut them down. Turn signals. Horn. There you go. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Your turn signal's on. Give it a little rev, Ed. Have a great day, guys.